Welcome to the Primrose, part of Bloomfield Homes' Classic Series. This single-story design is almost 2,800 square feet, 4 bedrooms, 2.5 bathrooms, and an included 3-car garage, bringing practical luxury to families across DFW.
The rotunda entry sets a distinctive tone, guiding you to a family room with a soaring ceiling. Large windows line the back wall, flooding the space with daylight and showcasing the open concept floor plan. The formal dining room is a flexible space that can also be converted to a media room. The study has a walk-in closet and can also serve as a bedroom. The kitchen features a large island, stainless appliances, custom cabinetry, and a dining nook that simplifies serving. A generous pantry and extra cabinets at the buffet provide the storage every busy household needs. Secondary bedrooms share their own corridor and each gains character from boxed windows with built-in shelves. Steps away, the mudroom collects backpacks and shoes before anyone reaches the living areas. And if you need another suite, the single bay of the 3-car garage can convert to an additional bedroom with its own ensuite bath. The spacious primary bedroom with a luxury bath features separate vanities, a drop-in deck mount tub, an oversized shower with seat, and a large walk-in closet. There are 2 covered patio options that extend daily living outdoors. Whether you fire up the grill or relax with morning coffee, this space is ready for every season. Bloomfield packs more standard upgrades into the base price than any builder in Dallas-Fort Worth.
The architectural presence is unmistakable. Brick and stone elevations, steep roof pitches, and a 3-car garage, offering curb appeal and real function for growing families. Come visit a Bloomfield Homes community today and preview the Primrose design.